big hello to all of you watching. I'm K. Madhavan Pillai, Chief Editor of Better Photography. With me here today is Sridhar Kunte, Deputy Editor, Technical of Better Photography, and Badri Narayan, National Sales Head of Better Photography. We are celebrating the TIPA World Awards 2021 winners. Today, we are presenting a special certificate to three very well-known popular brands. And these are Gitzo, Manfrotto, both of which belong to the Vitec Group, and also the renowned lighting company, Profoto.
The TIPA Awards is the most recognized awards in the world for photographic products. Better Photography is the only member magazine from South Asia and among 26 other magazines worldwide. In India, three brands receiving the award today, Manfrotto, Gitzo, and Profoto, are represented in India by Srishti Digital Life. Joining us here today from Srishti Digi Life is Radhakrishnan Vijay Kumar, founder, CEO, Group CEO. Welcome, Mr. Vijay Kumar, for this occasion.
Thank you. It's an honor to be here, Sridhar.
Welcome, Vijay.
Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here today. And thank you, Sridhar, for the introduction. Both Manfrotto and Gitzo are huge names in the professional photographic world, among the top tier of professional photography, or in or out of the studio. If it's not Gitzo, then it's Manfrotto. And both these support systems are built to last decades. Profoto is a lighting company that in recent years has innovated itself into the hearts of photographers in need of quick, compact, powerful, creative lighting solutions across the world. Let's move to the specific categories of the TIPA 2021 World Awards. The TIPA World Award 2021 for Best Lighting Technology goes to the Profoto Air X. The Profoto Air X is an app meant for use with smartphones that allows the synchronization of all Bluetooth equipped Profoto Xenon flash. For instance, the A10, the B10, or the Pro 11 flash units. And it syncs with a smartphone. Multiple flash units can be connected and controlled individually. The number of features and level of control is the same as for taking photos with a traditional camera. Full automatic exposure mode, or TTL, precise manual flash power control, automatic HSS mode, shutter speeds down to 1/25th of a second, which so far has been impossible for smartphones. Profoto Air X is free when downloading the Profoto Camera app on App Store and Google Play. The second TIPA World Award 2021 category today is the Best Tripod Head, and the award goes to Gitzo Ball Head Series 4. Professional photographers who want a heavy-duty tripod head that can perform in extreme conditions, the Gitzo Series 4 ball head is meant for them. Precisely manufactured using steel and aluminum components, it weighs less than 1 kilo, but it can securely hold an impressive 30-kilo load, such as a professional camera with a 400 to 600 mm lens. It has rich features, including an independent friction control for precise adjustments, a bubble level, a 360-degree independent panning lock, and a short rotation fast lock. Supplied with the Gitzo D profile plates, the Ball Head Series 4 is also compatible with Arca Swiss style plates from other brands. The third category for today is Best Gimbal System, and the award goes to the Manfrotto Fast Gimboom and Gimbal series. This affordable yet heavy-duty stabilizer system can handle up to 6.5 kilos of gear and work with both Manfrotto and gimbals of other brands. The innovative Manfrotto gimbal features a quick install process via a release plate that, once set, remains in place, making for quick setup and breakdown. The gimbal provides a lockable 3-axis stabilization and motors for smooth shooting, with a touch screen to set up parameters, including a set of creative selections such as time-lapse and vlog or vlog selfies, and features such as follow focus, remote control, and gimbal extension. A heartfelt congratulations from Better Photography for a magnificent win for the 3 exciting products.
Many congratulations, Vijay, for both Profoto as well as Manfrotto.
Congratulations, Vijay. Yeah. A hearty congratulations to you and Srishti DigiLife and to the teams who developed these fantastic products, which now stand as the world's leading products in the 3 different categories. I would like to request Mr. Vijay Kumar to speak a few words on this occasion. Over to you, Vijay.
Firstly, thank you, Madhavan, Sridhar, and Badri. And a big thank you on behalf of both Profoto and Vitec. They both are amazing companies in the way they actually function. I mean, they have been revolutionary in the way they innovate products. Actually, in fact, both the companies spend a lot of money into R&D. Most of the products they sell, a lot of big chunk of their funds go back into R&D. And that's how they create products. And especially if you look at the Jitsu ball head series, which is incredible. I mean, imagine a product which is weighing less than 1 kilo and they can hold up to 28 to 30 kilos of payload, which is incredible. And that's the same one for even the fast Gimboom as well. And one beauty of the Gimboom is about it's universal. You can fit in any gimbal that a photographer or a content creator is holding. And the AirX system is also something very new. Profoto has been trying to develop this, and it's probably one of the first companies successfully trying to bring full power of professional flashes to smartphones. If you look at the future of our visual content creation, it is mobile phones. Mobile phones are getting better and better every day, and I'm sure this revolutionary innovation will be very useful in the coming days. And thank you once again for having us. And we are very proud and honored to manage these go-to-market strategies for both these brands in the country. Thank you once again for inviting me over.
Thank you so much, Mr. Radhakrishnan, and once again, congratulations for a fantastic win this year. 3 categories. That's quite a bit. That's quite a good number of categories to win this year. Thank you for joining us here today. As always, it's been a pleasure, and once again, very, very well-deserved win indeed. To the audience who's watching, thank you all for being with us, and goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, and congratulations, Vijay, again.
Thank you. Bye-bye.